Hello, lovely people. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, and probably yours too. Let's talk about the lazy day makeup routine, the art of looking fresh, awake, and put together with the absolute minimum effort. We all crave those mornings when we can hit snooze, take things slow, and still step out the door feeling like our best selves. This isn't about dramatic transformations, bold colors, or spending ages in front of the mirror perfecting every detail. It's about embracing your natural features and letting your real self shine through, even on the days when you'd rather stay in bed. The secret is simplicity, just enough to boost your confidence and help you feel a little more put together, even on the laziest mornings. It's about those small, intentional steps that make a big difference in how you feel. We all have those days when the alarm clock feels like our worst enemy, and the thought of a full face of makeup is just too much. Maybe you're running late, or maybe you just want to keep things easy and breezy. The lazy day look is universal, like your favorite cozy jumper or a warm cup of tea. It's comfortable, familiar, and always there when you need it. It's a gentle reminder that beauty doesn't have to be complicated. The goal? To look naturally radiant and well-rested, even if you only rolled out of bed 20 minutes ago. It's about faking that 8 hours of sleep, even if you barely got 5. There's a real art to no makeup, enhancing what you already have, not hiding it. It's about letting your freckles peek through, letting your skin breathe, and celebrating your unique features. You don't need 100 products or complicated techniques to look and feel beautiful. Sometimes all it takes is a swipe of concealer, a touch of blush, and a little bit of mascara to make you feel ready to take on the day. Think of this as a quick, mindful ritual, a 5-minute self-care boost that can set the tone for your entire day. It's not about perfection. It's about feeling good in your own skin, no matter what your plans are. Celebrate your natural beauty with just a few clever touches. Take a moment to appreciate yourself, and remember that sometimes, less really is more. This is makeup for real life, for real mornings, and for real people. Days when you want to feel good with the least effort. So, whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just lounging at home, this routine is for you. Let's begin. The foundation of a lazy day look? Skip the heavy foundation. Instead, use a creamy concealer only where you need it, under eyes, around the nose, or on blemishes. Tap it in with your finger for a seamless blend. The trick is pinpoint concealing. Even out just the areas that need it, letting your real skin show through. If your skin's dry, mix a dab of moisturizer with your concealer for a dewy finish. The goal is to look like you have great skin, not great makeup. This targeted step instantly makes you look more awake and refreshed. Now, let's wake up the eyes. After a long night or an early morning, your eyes can look a little tired or puffy. But with just a few simple steps, you can instantly look more refreshed and ready to take on the day. Skip eyeshadow and liner. Just curl your lashes for an instant lift. This quick trick makes your eyes appear bigger and brighter, without any extra effort or complicated makeup. A quick squeeze with an eyelash curler opens up your eyes and makes you look more alert. Hold the curler at the base of your lashes for a few seconds. Then release gently for a natural-looking curl. Follow with a coat of lengthening mascara for clean, fluttery lashes. Choose a formula that separates and defines, so your lashes look naturally full and lifted. Wiggle the wand at the roots for subtle definition. This helps deposit more color at the base, giving your lashes extra depth and making your eyes pop even more. Next, tidy your brows with a tinted brow gel. Just brush it through for instant polish. Well-groomed brows help frame your face and pull your whole look together, even on the busiest mornings. Well-groomed brows and defined lashes frame your face in seconds. You don't need to spend ages perfecting every hair. Just a quick brush makes a big difference. No need for perfection, just a little lift and structure. Embrace your natural features and enhance them with these easy steps for a fresh, awake look. These 2 steps make you look instantly more awake. Even if you're short on time, you'll look like you got a full night's sleep. That's all you need for effortless definition. Just a few minutes for a brighter, more confident you. Time to add a healthy flush. Use a cream blush. Dab it on your cheeks with your fingers for a natural lit-from-within glow. Blend up and out toward your temples. With the leftover product, tap a bit onto your lips for a soft, pretty tint. Using the same shade on cheeks and lips creates a harmonious, effortless look. Cream blush is quick, forgiving, and needs no tools. Choose a shade that mimics your natural flush, soft pink, peach, or berry. This step pulls the whole look together, making you look vibrant and awake. It's the cherry on top of your lazy day routine. If I could only pick 3 products for a lazy day, here's my power trio: concealer, mascara, and cream blush. Concealer brightens and evens out your skin in seconds. Mascara defines your eyes and makes you look instantly more awake. Cream blush adds life to your cheeks and lips, tying everything together. With just these, you can look refreshed and put together in under 5 minutes. They're the cornerstones of effortless beauty. You don't need a lot, just the right tools. This trio proves less really is more. On lazy days, your makeup should work for you, not the other way around. A minimal routine feels lighter, more comfortable, and is far more forgiving. Fewer products mean less can go wrong, and you don't need to stress about perfection. Creamy, finger-friendly formulas are easy to apply, even half asleep. With less on your face, there's little to touch up and nothing to cake or crease. This low-maintenance approach is the ultimate luxury. It's about enhancing your natural features, not covering them up. Confidence comes from feeling comfortable in your own skin. Sometimes the simplest routines make the biggest difference. That's my blueprint for a quick, effortless, lazy day face. It's all about making your routine work for you, not the other way around. Whether you're getting ready for a video call, a coffee run, or just want to feel a little more put together at home, this approach is designed to fit seamlessly into your day. No stress, no fuss, just a few easy steps to help you feel refreshed and confident. Makeup should be a pleasure, not a pressure. This 5-minute ritual is proof. It's a gentle reminder that beauty routines can be simple and still make a big impact. You deserve to enjoy the process, to savor those quiet moments of self-care, and to celebrate the little things that make you feel good. You don't need my exact products. Find your own power trio in your makeup bag. Maybe it's a tinted moisturizer, a swipe of blush, and your favorite lip balm. Or maybe it's something totally different. The magic is in discovering what works best for you and your lifestyle. Play with the technique, adapt it to your needs, and make it your own. There's no right or wrong way, just your way. Try new combinations, switch up your colors, or even skip a step if you're short on time. The goal is to have fun and feel comfortable in your own skin. The goal isn't perfection, it's feeling good. Let go of the pressure to look flawless and focus on what makes you feel happy and confident. Your unique beauty shines brightest when you're comfortable and true to yourself. Some days you'll use all 3 steps, some days just 1 or 2, and that's perfectly okay. Your routine can change with your mood, your schedule, or even the weather. Flexibility is key. Let your makeup routine support you, not stress you out. Listen to what you need and enjoy the process. Take a moment to check in with yourself, breathe, and appreciate the ritual. These small acts of care can set the tone for your whole day. Makeup is self-care and self-expression. Let it work for you. Use it as a tool to highlight what you love about yourself, to play, to experiment, or simply to enjoy a few peaceful minutes to yourself. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and show the world your unique self. There's something truly special about feeling comfortable in your own skin and letting your natural beauty shine through. Now go enjoy your beautifully lazy day, feeling every bit as lovely as you are. Remember, you deserve to feel good, today and every day.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow. create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.